Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Iqbal Digital YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is local SEO. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search local SEO. When you search local SEO, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website, what is local SEO and how does it work. When you click this website, page will be opened of what is local SEO and how does it work. Local SEO is a search organization optimization strategy to help your business to promote your page visible in local search result on Google. Any business that is a physical location or services to geographic area and benefit for local SEO. If you search Google for your important keyword related to your business or map within free listing appear unreaded and is known as a map pack is a local SEO on the help grow your business. But to understand local SEO, you need to know Google work first. How did search engine evolve? In these early days of the internet, there are relatively few websites. No navigating for your web is easily. Once you have the internet started or expand, however, search engine is created to allow users to find the site they were looking for more easily. If you have to type up perhaps into a search engine that have to perhaps are matches to website that is include the keyword and your site perhaps Google used to the same approaches but it is quickly demoted and there are other search engine when it is became to a first search engine is linked between site as an indicator for which website were trusted and had authority. Today, Google looks as the 100th factor and both of your website will determine if the is relevant display as a search result factor from your digital footprint for the each factor for different patent or values, which is search engine combined to the result and your digital footprint determines whatever you have to know top result and inquiry that user types into Google. So how does Google work? When you type a Google search perhaps in Google, it checks a pattern for various website signals or ranking factors such as how relevant to your website to return a list for site and match your search. Most of people does not realize the Google is not doing for live search to entire the internet every time sometimes type for something in the search bar. It is actually searching to store copy of your all sites of your Google has discovered. This copy is called of Google Index. Form of the Google Index is usually small programs called spiders and crawl the website. Each spider works in the same way. It is start one of single page then follow the link of pages looking for the content and next page as soon as. How Google will rank search results. Google users are various process to the hundred of thousands of site and click on I. This process is called algorithm where the Google sometimes an algorithm checks and index and return of the list of websites that match your search and organic result. Those results are chosen and ranked based on relevance, promises and the popularity of given is impounded. The algorithm of look at various of the site and factor of determine which website have something related to your search. All of these relevant sites are added in a list of which we can rank by promises. Again, referring for your web various site-to-site off-site factor and algorithm determines which is the site best answer to your search query and the sites are listed for top search result. Local SEO is different pattern. We have heard about the local organic search result after analyzing your behavior of user during trillion of the searches. Google fired and people seeking certain types of business need results from of their immediate areas. That's why Google local search algorithm include the proximity factor, which is a query with local indexing. When this happens, that even of the searcher does not include city name or near me in the search. If you are at the work with a visa keyword for lounge, for example, Google Visa TV shows a listed of location near your office and local areas. But if you try for someone at the home, you will be getting entirely different types of results. This makes sense that considering you need a visa keyword from somewhere nearby. Local search have been around for years, but in the side of related due to people only using the desktop computer. with this recent drop for your mobile internet access. However, mobile search has exploded, so local SEO has become highly important for your success and offer your business